Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do my unboxing of my Die Hard Club kit that I received from the Stamps of Life monthly. It's a monthly subscription. I do belong to this club as well as their Hard Kit Club. So this month is Flowers to Layer. That's what it's called. And if you watch my videos, you'll know every month you get an inspiration card that comes with the Die Hard kit. You get a stamp set as well as the die cuts. So it's less than 15 bucks a month. That does include shipping. You get all of these dies. So there's shadow pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you get 19 dies right here for less than 15 bucks a month. And you get the stamp set. So you get dies and stamps. And this is the stamp set. And the sentiments they have are thinking of you, happy birthday, you mean the world to me, my friend. I wish they would have more thank you sentiments. So I'm gonna play with this, and yeah, I'll be back. Here, let me show you the inspiration card before we go. Okay, so stay tuned, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I just made the bases because I added some glossy accents. I don't know if you can see it, to the centers of the flower, and it's not dry yet. So once they dry, I will be adding them to these bases that are just blank. And so I made 2 cards. I stamped and die cut out, and I used the happy birthday sentiment from the Die Hard kit. And then this is the other one. Yeah. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please like and subscribe and consider sharing with a crafty friend. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.